Sawadee krap, YouTube. How is it going, guys? Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys have a really good day so far. Today we're still here sticking around in the Chinatown area, and after exploring the little commodity alleyway a couple days ago, and we finished another tour at another side street. It's called Palipon Alley. We are now here doing some random walk, talking about my experience so far here in Thailand after traveling a little bit, traveling for around a week since I left Canada. It has been really hot to me and really challenging. I thought I hate the cold. When I was in Macau, the temperature it was more like 5 degrees in the nighttime and 20 or 17 degrees something during the daytime. And when I was thinking about, yeah, I should feel really happy if I come to Thailand, since the temperature here definitely is way better. It just feels like I'm living in the not sauna room but sauna world. 24 hours, unless if you get into any of the HVAC rooms, you are basically experiencing the sauna bath 24/7. I didn't find too many restaurants equipped with HVAC that often. Only a couple of those. Maybe for the expensive / luxury restaurants, they may be equipped with HVAC, but no, I don't go to HVAC restaurant that often. And the thing is, I thought I was gonna like it in this weather, this Thai weather, and it turned out to be like, not saying I hate it, I'm okay, I can survive, but it is 100% really challenging. Believe it or not, today is considered one of a chill day, a cool day with some breeze. And I see a couple kitties, cat A, cat B, and Sawadee krap, another cat. Hello. And a couple more cats. Hey, yo, hello guys. I was told those cats they were not dewormed, so just be careful and make sure if you want, you can wash your hands after. Maybe that gentleman, he didn't understand what I was talking about, but yeah, that's what I was told the other night by a Chinese dog keeper. Yeah, he reminded me that cats here, they don't get dewormed. So back to the topic. I have been staying here for less than a week. Arrived here on Tuesday, and today is Monday, so it has been 6 days already. It has been challenging because, say, most days this rain. I'm talking about heavy rain, big shower day. And after the rain, the atmosphere, the humidity can be crazily high or hot. That means Thailand or Bangkok would become a steam cooker right away after the shower because of the hot ground plus water. It has been challenging, and I still, yeah, I had to do like 2-3 showers a day just to keep my skin from become sticky. Of course, definitely today is way better than last couple of days. Today is one of the best days since I arrived here. And not saying I'm not sweating, I'm still sweating, but a little bit. Believe it or not, this is a school. It says Puiying School. Also, this is a temple. Temple plus a school, which seems like a normal setup here. It says Song Wat Road 200 years anniversary celebration. Okay, so if I was right, that's as this temple is 200 years old since its foundation. Since founded, and now they are having a 200 years anniversary celebration. That's the gate of this place. It's called says 海在安和, which means the ocean gathered together and safe and wellness gathered together. Thank you. And this is also the location of maybe private school. Not sure. It says 大本頭公廟. I assume this is one of the Chinese temple. Well, not assume. It should be 100% a Chinese temple since this is located in Chinatown. Okay, we're heading to the entrance of the temple to take a quick glance of the inside. And here comes with a kindergarten. Even though this temple is 200 years old already, still everything looks way newer, way newer compared to those ones we went to in the previous videos. It says Song Wat Road, Canon Song Wat. Okay, I'm ready to take shoes off, and here we go. This is the booth of 老本頭公. Just imagine like this statue is already 200 years old. thing is, with 200 years of history, it still looks shiny new. Sawadee. So 200 years history means it's new. Then I was just wondering, like, for the temples we visited in the previous videos, for those items, don't you think they are like what? They are like 2,000 years old, maybe? Okay. So many Chinese writings. Just want to change the focus a little bit. Yeah, here is the tile art of tiger coming down the mountain. And here is the main worship hall. The very left booth is the King of Wealth, money king, holding 20 dollar bill. And more kings behind from the Tao legends. And this booth is the says 信仰乜極話 Not 100% sure what that one is. And there's a jump here, not sure if I'm allowed to hit it. One more booth. That's the King Mom. Sorry, that's the Wang Mu Queen. Statue from the Tao legend. It's a smaller temple. Okay, I think we are done visiting here. ขอบคุณครับ Yeah. Interesting place. Okay, that's my song. Yeah, that's almost it. So thank you guys for watching this video with some random walk and chit chat, talking about my feelings for the very first week of stay in Bangkok, and hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like it, please consider like and subscribe to this video so that you won't miss any of the new video updates, and hope you guys have a really good day. Please leave me a comment if you know more details about the Thai culture. Feel free to leave me a comment on the video, and I will try to reply them. I will try to reply every one of them. And yeah, Alright, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Take care, my friend. Cheers.